It is kinematics or fluid kinematics. Then first of all, what is kinematics? Kinematics. Okay. Kinematics came from the word kinema. Kinema means motion. It came from the word kinema, that is meaning is motion. Sir, please solve GATE 2013 question. Okay, Mayank, we will solve 2013 question also. It's not a big issue. Definitely, I will clear your doubts as well as I will solve the numericals. Don't worry. Okay. Let me finish this chapter. When we are going to see the numerical section, then we can continue with 13 question also. Okay. Let me start this chapter. Kinematics. Fluid kinematics is nothing but the motion of the fluid particles. Kinema means motion. Kinematics. Then what is kinematics? Kinematics is the branch of science which deals with the motion of fluid particles. Simply, kinematics is the branch of science which deals with the motion of the fluid particles, and the important term is without considering the forces, without considering the forces causing the motion. Okay. So in kinematics we are going to study only the motion of the fluid particles, but in this chapter we are not going to see the forces which causes the motion of the fluid. So in the next chapter, fluid dynamics, we will see the motion as well as the forces which causes the motion. Correct? So in this chapter we are going only to study about the what type of motion fluid particles possess, like uniform flow, non-uniform flow, steady flow, unsteady flow, acceleration, velocity, all that. Correct? So next is we are having in kinematics types of fluid flow or types of motion. Types of fluid flow or motion. Types of fluid flow or motion. Okay. Is it visible to all of you? Please reply. First one is steady and unsteady flow. Steady and unsteady flow. See, steady and unsteady flow, it is related to time. Steady means T is coming here, so you can remember in this way. T is coming in steady and unsteady both. So both this flow is related with respect to time. The definition is, it is the type of flow in which the fluid characteristic like pressure, velocity, viscosity, it is the type of flow in which the fluid characteristic like pressure, velocity, viscosity, etc. do not change. Okay, I am talking about first steady flow. First one is steady flow. Do not change with respect to time. Fluid characteristics like pressure, velocity, viscosity, density, etc. at a point do not change with respect to time. You can add here at a point. At a point do not change with respect to time. Mathematical expression for this we have steady and unsteady flow. Dou v by dou t, that is change of velocity with respect to time at a point x naught comma y naught comma z naught is not equal to 0. Means change of velocity with respect to time. What is the change? Change is 0. Change is 0 means no change. So it is a steady flow. Similarly, we have dou p by dou t at a point x naught comma y naught comma z naught equal to 0. Similarly, we can have density, viscosity, everything. Steady flow, we are talking about the steady flow. In this steady flow, we have all the fluid properties like pressure, density, velocity, viscosity, surface tension, etc. At a point, at any point, do not change with respect to time. That type of flow is called steady flow. Correct? Next is unsteady flow. Just reverse of it. In unsteady flow, we have fluid characteristic like pressure, velocity, viscosity, etc. changes. In unsteady, this is only about steady flow. Okay, steady flow. In unsteady flow, we have pressure, temperature, velocity, density. At a point changes with respect to time. Okay, so what will be the mathematical expression for this? Pressure, temperature, velocity, density at a point changes with respect to time. So the expression will be dou v by dou t at any point x naught, y naught, z naught is not equal to 0. Means change is not equal to 0. So that means change is having some value. So it is changing with respect to time. So it is an unsteady flow. Correct? Very simple. The most important thing is that at a point, steady flow means at a point. Next we are having with uniform and non-uniform flow.